So my name is Roberto Oliveira, founder of Blip. We are working at the edge of two big revolutions. The first one is, and it's not new, it's around for some time. I think for us that are Brazilians, WhatsApp helped us a lot to explain what is this. People don't want more to make calls, and they don't want to download new apps. So everyone wants to interact with brands the same way that we interact to each other. This is a very important thing that very few people are understanding the phenomenon that it means. The second one is what everyone is talking here, AI. The internet is evolving to become AI first. So, and for us, we believe that the convergence of those two big revolutions is the perfect place for us to try to reinvent the architecture that the companies have today to manage, especially the interactions that they have with users. So I love all the presentations that I saw, but one thing that is very rare to see in presentations like that is the consumer. Where are the consumer? So, there is a very interesting book that's called Innovation Dilemma that say that every time that there are a paradigm shift in the industry, there is opportunity for a new platform. So NVIDIA is becoming this new platform, but it's coming from the technology, from the chip. So what we are trying to do, and we are very advanced with that in Brazil, is to build a new platform for this new paradigm, but that starts from the user experience, not from the chip. So basically, we believe that what we are seeing is a move from what we call mobile-first paradigm to AI-first paradigm. So in the AI-first paradigm, the interface probably will be conversational. What means that the people will need to find one contact to interact with. So our proposal is, instead to have, as we have today in the mobile-first paradigm, where each department of the brand use a different platform to interact with the user, all those departments will need to interact with just one interface. So in Brazil, for example, WhatsApp is becoming the most important channel for almost all brands to do marketing, sales, customer support, and anything. So our proposal is to create just one contact in Blip. So our platform is called Blip. With our platform, you create just one contact, and you'll be able to send and receive messages for all your users in any conversational channel, especially in WhatsApp in Brazil. And what is the other thing that we create a concept to explain that, a name that is intelligent contact, but we are translating to English, calling conversational app, to advise that to be able to build a good experience for the user, you need to have a software approach. So you need to look to this new form of app as a new, at the same form that you look to your mobile app or to your website, understanding that it needs to have an evolution process. So the way that we built the platform was basically focusing the integration and orchestration of all platform business process, exactly what Viviana was explaining as a huge challenge. So we are helping a lot the brands to integrate and orchestrate all the process, but starting from the user experience. So every time that a user sends a message to your contact inside WhatsApp, we help the brands to deal with that message. How we do that? The first thing that we have is what we call Blip Desk, is a tool for humans, because one of the advantages of this revolution is that you always can use humans. So we help the brands to use the call center infrastructure, the employees that they have in any part, the people that are in the stores can interact with the users using our tool called Blip Desk. The other very important tool is Blip Builder. That's basically where the company is working their integrations, automations, and are able to orchestrate all the systems and integrate all the people that are using Blip Desk. And what is the best part? We built Blip Store, where everything that you build inside the builder can be reused for any of our clients, for any of our partners, and it's working very well. So because of that, we have been very successful since WhatsApp opened their API in August 1st of 2018, and now in 2022, we have the iPhone moment, as everyone calls, with ChatGPT. So we start to implement a lot of things using generative AI. The first thing was Blip Copilot inside the Blip Desk. So basically here, we are helping the agents with suggestions of messages, and 80% of the messages today already have been sent just with one click. Another thing that we are doing is summarizing. So every time that the agent receives a message, we summarize all the historical of the interactions that consumer has with the brand. And we already have more than 85 big enterprise clients using this Copilot in their call centers. We were recognized by Meta, showing this case. What was interesting here, it's a sales operation where we multiplied by 2.2 the conversion rates using this kind of support from AI. We were recognized in May of this year. It was the first time that WhatsApp won Cannes Prize together with Coke and us and Ogilvy. It's a very interesting case, an application for marketing. And probably a lot of people here read the Atlantico report, where they did a very good job showing the big trends in Latin America, and we were recognized with this customer support case, showing basically that everything that we are doing with AI is impacting all the operational metrics of the customer support metrics. So just to finalize, the process that we see, we like to say that the good approach is this approach that starts from the user experience and you can make it evolving. So you will start with the Blip Desk. After you can start using copilots. And with the copilot, after you are comfortable with the hallucinations, because the copilot is a very good way to train and to certify your model. So if you get confidence, you can promote that to autopilot. So there are a lot of cost reduction and better improvements in all the other metrics. And we are very happy with that phrase that Greg Brockman, that is co-founder and president of OpenAI, said in a Goldman Sachs event together with Bill Gates. And he said that change is the only constant. You don't need to be good at the current thing. You need to be good in the process of change. And I did just a small change, that I changed the process of change to a process of evolution. That's what we are trying to help the brands to implement. Thank you.
Thank you, Robert.